Well, what do we have here? It is my 2017 Jaguar SVR. Now, we're back in Los Angeles, back from Car Week. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Now, I am having issues with this particular car. There's a check engine light. The battery's completely dead. We tried jump starting it with multiple vehicles. I've actually requested AAA, and then I called the Jag hotline for servicing. And both times they sent the wrong tow truck. They sent a flatbed without dollies. Third time's a charm. I just called Jag again, and hopefully we can sort this out. One of the main issues was that we were unable to jump start the car, open the boot, and put the car in neutral. But there is a manual release somewhere right over here. But yeah, hopefully the guy brings dollies, because I mean, I don't even know what to tell you. And I just had to use the emergency key right over here, which is by far one of the worst designs known to mankind. But yeah, the window is actually up, so if I try slamming the door this way, it's going to, I don't want to shatter the glass, so we're just going to leave that alone and wait for the tow truck. Unfortunately, I was not able to bring this to Monterey car, but Lexus, they stepped it up, hooked me up with the Lexus LS500 F Sport. But yep, third time's a charm. Hopefully this tow truck will have dollies and the right equipment to finally get this thing out of here. Currently here in my living room, sitting like a jabroni, like a jamoke, because we've been here for the past 2.5 to 3 hours waiting for the damn tow truck, and it has not arrived. So yep, just wasting away my entire afternoon for absolutely nothing for the third time in a row. Don't know what's going on, but my buddy Hamid from Hornberg of Jag and Range Rover off Sunset Boulevard hooked me up with his PDF, and it basically tells you how to put the car into neutral with something called the shift interlock override. So if your car isn't running, the engine isn't running, you have a dead battery, you're able to physically and manually put the car into neutral. It's not the best or the worst, it's just kind of a hassle. I specifically requested dollies when I called the 1-800-4JAGUAR hotline for roadside assistance. They obviously did not convey that to the tow truck. The tow truck is now turning around, going back to the HQ to pick them up, turning around and coming back here. Hence the wait. It is currently almost 5 o'clock. The service center is most likely closed. Just gonna chill here and watch some War Robots while I waste my entire afternoon away, guys. Sorry.
But they are closing, so I'm just trying to think like maybe I should recover the car from you. That way it's already in our possession, and then we take it down in the morning. Or did you want to set it up for a time call first thing tomorrow morning so it can?
So I spoke with my buddy at the service center, and he said we can still drop the car off even if they're closed. There's like another bonding lot next door that they could just drop it off at, and they'll take care of it first thing in the morning. Jaguar hotline, they never told you about getting the dollies or the wheel and assist, right? They just called you for about
No, because how they put it, they didn't put it as that. They put it as it was a flatbed tow, and that it was a flatbed. They put it as a flatbed tow, all-wheel drive. They did put that it wouldn't go into neutral. A lot of my drivers are really good with vehicles, and they'll be able to put it on their flatbed and get it into neutral. Right. But then when you spoke with my coworker, you told him we already know this. The computer is out. Giving it power is not going to work. It's not going into neutral. You know. Right. So if I would have knew that before, then I could have, arranged to do things before. The problem with that is the will lift with dollies. He's on a call, holding a call most of the majority of the time, because a lot of different members have the same issues with different types of cars. Right. So I do apologize for that, but most definitely, I'm going to send my guy out as soon as he clear up. Okay. We'll drop it off down there. That way in the morning they can pick it up.
Okay, sure thing. So basically, Jags, they dropped the ball on this one, huh?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Sure. I'll be around 6:15, 6:20, so I could wait then. It's all good.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm so sorry again.
All right, no worries. I appreciate it. Thank you. It's currently 5:15. Jag has dropped the ball for the third time in a row. Don't really know what to say, except that Adrian Chon is still live streaming. So we're gonna wait and see what I give up. The tow truck driver has finally arrived. I don't know if it's really his fault, but it is definitely Jack's fault for not letting them know to bring the right equipment or the truck. So they forgot to tell you guys that we needed the right equipment, and
3 hours later, I'm the last guy to show up.
I know, yeah.
I'm the 7 o'clock morning guys.
I hear you, man. I hear you, dude. 2 guys last week came in flatbeds, and we tried jump starting the shit out of this thing, and nothing. Absolutely.
No power would be in there.
No power. they think the starter or the alternator is also messed up as well. And there's a check engine light, so I don't think that's related, but it's mainly just no battery
It's
power.
because no battery power. That's
yeah, and then they said we don't have the equipment to
and
rule it
AAA
out. So
this is the equipment, but
right.
if you didn't have this pull,
Yeah.
then I would have forced it up. Sorry, I would have forced it up.
No, I totally understand. Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
It's 1 year old, and this is the second battery.
No, and then you gotta send it back to tell them, hey, deal with
I know. Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Second battery and already a check engine light.
Dude,
come on.
It's ridiculous. But I love the car, but like at the same time, it's like, what are you guys doing, man? You're so close. Yeah, these poles are just a
I'm sorry, bro.
bitch, dude. Yeah, it's all good, man.
So that's why AAA wanted me to come out here,
Right.
assist the call.
Yeah.
It's been 3 hours, nobody came out here.
Right.
I'm so sorry about that.
No, it's all good, man. Yeah, because I went through Jag. They had like a service roadside assistant hotline. I guess they contract you guys out to.
Yeah, because
handle
we're the
this.
closest to you.
Right, yeah. So should I just call?
Yeah, you're gonna call. I'm gonna let AAA. I already
Yeah.
talked to my dispatch. They're gonna let
Gotcha.
AAA know.
Okay.
You call it on your
sorry,
end.
yeah.
Sorry, it's okay. And then they're gonna tell the dealership for Jaguar, come and deal with it.
Right. All right, thanks so much.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm just recording. I don't
I don't mind.
vlog.
I don't mind.
No,
I
no,
understand
yeah.
you want to cover yourself.
Yeah,
See what's going on. I don't mind that.
It's actually for entertainment. I run a YouTube channel, bro. I'm serious, yeah.
Let's go. Like, say what's up to the guys.
Yeah, what's up, man? Yeah, this guy's the homie, man. He's hooking it up. But
My dude.
I appreciate
Take
it,
care
man.
of
Thanks so
yourself.
much,
All right,
man.
have a good night.
Have a good night, dude. Take care. Hey, what? Got like an Instagram or anything you want to do a shout out?
No. I got an Instagram. It's Toma FD2. I
All
got
right.
a little Civic that.
All right,
around.
awesome, guys. Make sure to check out his Instagram. Thanks for the hookup, brother. I appreciate it, dude. And there you guys have it. The Jag. Another day sat at my apartment complex here. It is RIP. Super nice guy here. Man, I don't even know what to tell you guys. This is literally the third truck that they sent out, contracted by AAA. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try locking this thing again, but center console, driver's side right here is this little black box. We needed some sort of tool to pry that out, and unfortunately neither of us had the right tool, and he told me that he'd rather not do it because it's not really his responsibility. So unfortunately we are back to square one. That was the third tow truck, and the worst part is I can't even close this door properly because of the fucking window right up here that's above the pillar. I don't want to smash it in because that'll shatter the window. So we're in quite the pickle here, guys. So yeah, I don't know. Fun fact for you guys. If your battery's dead in an F-type, you can't open the glove box to get your insurance or your documents outside of here. I'm sure there's some sort of like little mechanical thingy that you could manually do, but yep. Well guys, it's the next day. The fourth truck has arrived. Let's see what happens. Alright, so update, we got the fourth truck out here. It is the next day. My buddy Hamid hooked it up and recommended these guys because they usually deal with low clearance type of vehicles at the Jag dealership and Range Rover dealership off Sunset Boulevard. So make sure to check him out, upper right hand corner, for hooking it up. This guy seems to know what he's doing. I think we're finally in business, guys. So let's see what happens. So I'm gonna record just for my safety in case something happens, but I think we're finally rolling here. Ooh. Oh, I lifted up a little bit. Dude, I think he's like all the way up on the wall. Jesus. We're in business, guys. Now we're rolling. She's got the right tools for the right job, and there she goes. Yeah, this is the first step of getting the car sorted out. So many thanks to Hamid for hooking it up. He's the one that recommended these tow guys. This guy just told me the AAA guys, man, they're all freaking lazy. That's what's going on. They're a bunch of jabroni bums, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, Finally, we got that sorted out. Oh, it's got a drink holder. It's amazing. Cute dog.
Thank you.
Is it a he or she or?
She.
What's her name?
Violeta.
Oh wow.
Like violet.
Yeah, that's a great name.
Thank you.